Hello sir, myself Jyoti, and today I'm going to explain about file operation using system call. So we are going to use so many system calls like open, read, write, and lseek. The first question is here: write a C++ program to copy the content of one file to another file. Means whatever the content present in the file, one file, that content should be copied in the another file. So I'm gonna explain this program. Here the program is this is written in the C++. So first it will take the buffer size and then file name and then another file name. This is all these three are character array, and first we need to enter the file, and if a file is there, that it will open in a read mode, and that it will store in a file descriptor. If file descriptor is -1, then it shows file not exist, and if it file fd is not equal to 1, then all further procedure will be done. So here you could see the read option. First it will take the buffer size, and then 100 is the size, the count, and then the content of the first file it will show if we give if the available text present over there, and the new file we need to give, and whatever it is there that will copy. And first fd2 it will create the second file, new file, and it will write all the content in the second file. Now I'm going to run this. First file, my file name is text, and then the new file I'm gonna create 2.txt. Whatever the content present inside the t1.txt, that all copied into the 2.txt. So now the second question is, like, we need to concatenate two files into the third file. So the program is here. First we need to open the file, and if file exists it will show file exists, otherwise no. The content of first file, and then additional this is the questions of appending the some data into the existing file. So if we give the some additional content, that content will add it to the file. I'm gonna run this program. First file name t.txt. Now additional content is hh. Now we could see here the additional content. The new content is hi, hello, you are, and cd and hh. We need to concatenate from the two files into the one file. The program is here. First it will open the first file and then second file, and it will create the third file, and whatever the present in the first and second file, you see here f3 descriptor and f3 descriptor, buffer1 and buffer2, the size is, and s1 s2. S1 and S2 is the arguments that contains the read system call, and it will open. First it will write, and it will open the file descriptor 3, and whatever the content present in the all these two text files, that will be copied into the third file. Now I'm gonna run this program. First it will compile into the file name txt. The second file is txt. The third file we need to give. Third file it will create first, and then whatever the content present inside the first and second file, it is printed over here. Now the fourth question is, like, we need to write a program for randomly access a file using system calls. Means we can access randomly from, means, which positions to which position we want. So now I'm going to explain that program. So here the program is here. And here first we need to enter the file name, and if file name is exist it will show, otherwise it will show file not exist. And here SIG is for searching the position. Here you see that FD is file descriptor, PT is the pointer, and O is the beginning and references, all references. If 0 is there, 0 means beginning of the file. If 1 is there, it means that that random, and then if end is there, it means 2 is there, it means end of the file. So like that we need to give. First we need to read all the file. If we give 0, it will start from the read from the start beginning, and if we give 1, it will start from randomly access, means anywhere, from anywhere. 2 means if we give 2, it will start read from the second. Program. Enter the file name txt. 0, I'm gonna read from the beginning. Enter the location from which to begin. Start. So second. So whatever the content present in the second, because now my content was, see, now before the content, hi, how are you, now it will start printing from the 2, means beginning from 0, but start from which location we want. So we want from the second position, so that's why from the second position it is started to read. So now the program is working successfully. Thank you for watching this video.